decided to conduct this party as a Thanksgiving for our professors here in Lyceum. And at the same time, it is like a challenge. Let's say it's to help us hone our skills and knowledge about the food banquet. So in the future, pwede namin siyang i-apply sa aming work. To our wonderful professors, thank you for the unconditional love and support to each one of us, and thank you for the words of wisdom and all your efforts for teaching us.
There ain't no better plan. Heat up that stormy weather.
To all my blockmates, thank you for all those wonderful years, and even though we may not understand each other, at the end of the day, we will stand together to make this event possible.